Hello, everybody. We are going to take a look at another play and continue to deepen our understanding of how to read the playbook today. First of all, we're going to look at the name of the play. This is Rocket Right Z7 Sweep versus a 5-3 defense. So this is Rocket Right Z7 Sweep is the name of this play that we would call in the huddle. Rocket Right Z7 Sweep. What you're going to see, Rocket Right is going to identify that the Z back is going to go to the right hand side. So the whiteout that is normally on the left is going to align on the right. So that's rocket right. And then the next part, Z7, is going to tell us who's getting the ball, the Z, and 7 is telling us where they're going. So the Z back that has moved to the right hand side is now going to sweep around, receive the handoff, and go through the 7 gap. So let's remember gap 1, 3, 5, 7. 7 is anything outside the tight end. So what we see is that this is a Z back running a sweep backwards across the field, receiving the handoff from the quarterback in the backfield, and then continuing around the left side of the end. Okay. The four back, let's talk about what their responsibility is here and what this line means. You see a solid purple line. There is no handoff indicator here. This means that this person is going to basically probably take a small stutter step or pause, wait for the quarterback to clear them, or fake a handoff, one of the two. The way it's drawn is actually that he would step in front of him. So it would fake a handoff, and then he would run through the line and either block or try to get tackled or, just occupy space. This is basically a trick to try and get this middle linebacker and this Sam backer to come over and tackle this person. Okay. Then the X back, what's their responsibility? The X back is going to block this corner, or, if he can't block him, he's going to run him off. He's going to just try and occupy him in some way, make sure that this corner does not affect the play. Okay, let's talk about our lineman blocking scheme. The tight end has a solid T block on this end. This indicator on this is showing us that we believe that when we start to move the ball to the right by the quarterback opening to the right, faking the handoff, and the Z starting to run, this end is not going to be able to see this Z, but rather will react by coming in. And then we will have the handoff and go around so the tight end will be able to block this end. This tackle is going to block this tackle. This guard and the center will see that the nose tackle is lined head up. They will take him out if it is a double team that is needed on that. If this is not needed as a double team, then this little gray dotted line that looks like a T, this is indicating that this guard can come up and take somebody from the secondary and block that person if possible, if the center does not need help with this nose tackle. Okay. This guard we'll see is coming out to the secondary and going to try and pick somebody up. Ideally, he'll track a little to the left and pick up this Mike or middle linebacker. We'll see that the middle linebacker we're anticipating will also react to the right when we bring the Z over, and then we'll crash back in when this 4 crashes through that gap. And we're hoping that he will be able to put a block on him, and then 4 will hit the S or Sam. This tackle will take this tackle. This tight end will block this end. Okay. Pretty straight up blocking scheme, not very, very complicated. There's no pulling or anything other than just, know who you are supposed to block in this type of defensive pattern. Okay. That'll be it for today. If you have any questions, please let us know.